morning. Can I get a large vanilla iced coffee and 2 egg white grills? This is where a Chick-fil-A gift card comes in handy. Yeah. So lately, I've been eating these My Protein cookies. Like the protein cookies. I don't know why, they're so good to me. 40 protein.
Not this close.
Where are we going? It's wide angle.
Oh, Tornado. Where is it? Tornado
Burger.
Where is it?
You gotta
Left
make
or
it right on Murphy.
Right?
Yeah.
Oh, right here.
Right, left. Right on Murphy, man. Where you going?
Oh, wait. Oh, you said left.
Left, right on Murphy.
Okay. Can you not? Where is it?
Right here to the right. Oh my God, what? This is a huge sign right there.
Is it to go? Or are we eating there?
We're eating here.
Okay.
Best cheeseburgers in Texas.
Thanks.
Taste test. Take a bite. Wait, what'd you get?
Chicken.
Chicken Philly?
Spicy chicken with jalapeno.
I got double cheese. Pretty much like a double. I'm in and out pretty much. Double. It's good, huh? Damn. So, squatted 350 for a double. Haven't done that in a very, very long time, since the beginning of last contest prep when I PR 365. So, ever since then I haven't gone up because I haven't been able to find my squat form again until now. Like for the past, I want to say like 5 weeks or so, I found it. Like I found how to squat with my imperfection, like just work around it. So it's worked. Like I finally hit it, 350 for a double. It was really good. So I'm gonna back down to just 315 and do, I don't know, sets of doubles or triples or something like that. Just work with that and go from there. Order, bro.
Are you ready? Okay. The tuna taco, the curry mussels, the oysters and caviar, the the problem 7, the angry shrimp. That's all appetizers.
Oh,
hold on.
Shit. Hold on.
Are you gonna video it? You gonna video it? Hey girl. Hold on, ready? Look.
Oh shit!
So it's a cedar plank on scallops and bacon. So there's a cedar plank, scallop, bacon. And this is oyster, so caviar, fried oyster. And then this is the taco. Taco Tuesday. Alright, this is the curry ramen. The curry ramen. Here, come here. Ready? Come here. Sorry. Boom, son! Boom!
Damn, that's fire.
Strawberry paleo cheesecake with coconut. 12-layer chocolate cake.
Oh my
Oreo
God.
cheesecake. Lemon cheesecake.
What happened?
My girlfriend picked me up.
What's up, big boy?
Hey guys, my girlfriend picked me up. Oh my God.
Mystery woman.
So Derek's car has dicks all over it. Alright guys, so leg workout today with Matt, Faceplant King, Derek, and Shawley. And Shawley's taking us through the workout today. Usually, I don't know, usually I like doing my own thing, but we're hitting legs with Shawley. And Shawley's taking us through a 5x5 as a first movement on squats. I think I'm gonna go 315. I don't know yet, I might. And just depends how I feel when I go heavier, but If I don't go 315, it'll probably be like 300. So let's get started. All right, so first set, I'm gonna try 295. Work with 5 sets of 5 because 275 feel a little bit heavy. So 295 here. Come on. Good dive. Let's go.
Nigerian nightmare.
Let's go. Big run. Bro, he squats wide, man. Yeah. Oh. All right, so finished the 5x5 with 295. Feeling good today. Got leg press. I'm doing the squat press today. Gonna do 6 plates, 4x10. Let's go.
Huh?
Alright, so as you see, acclimation sets. First, I was doing 6 plates on each side, then 10, and it was kind of easy. 7, 8, and my last set for 10, I'm gonna try 10, is 9 plates. So, haven't done this in a very, very long time, but I'm feeling good. So, just decided to throw on some plates. So, here we go, 10 reps. Come on. Oh! Come on. Come on. Alright, so really good leg workout. Finished and hit some hip thrusts and some calf raises and stuff like that. But right now we are at Casa de Coker. So we're gonna eat some food at Charlie's house. Yeah, so let's see what we have. Damn, this lighting's good. But we're gonna cook some food, eat some dinner. Damn, they have a lot of cups. Wow. Check that out, guys. So, the ladies got some ground beef cooking. Got 99 one life. Just kidding. Danae buys 80-20. It's about to be super good though. It's alright, I'm starting prep soon.
What's the fat on that?
80-20?
Yeah.
20%.
Probably like 13 fat.
80-20.
Probably 13-15 fat.
20%.
Because 96.4 is still like 5 fat.
I like 96.4.
Damn, so it's like 20 fat per 4 ounces.
What does the package say?
She was just like, I'm so sorry.
Alright guys, nachos are ready.
Oh, sorry.
80-20, cheese, pico, and corn chips.
You've just seen her those couple times, right?
So currently we are gonna go buy fireworks. So currently we are about to buy some fireworks. I don't know if it's focusing right now. We're about to buy some fireworks for tomorrow, our 4th of July party, or 4th of July party, for our New Year's party. And yeah, me, Derek, and Charlie about to get some. Excited,
Goliath.
bro? Yeah, what is that? Heck yes. Oh, dude, it has all those colors?
Yes.
So every single one of these is in that box?
In this box. They have a tube in there. You set it in, you light it.
Uh-huh.
It goes up and explodes. This should go around 200 feet in there.
Oh, dang, that's sick. Hear it.
You scared everyone, man.
Huh?
Man, that's 4th of July. He know that.
Shit!
Here over a fountain, we have
later, fireworks. Like, you f***ing ride dirty, bro.
Pocket full of cheese, bitch, I got racks. I'm a real street nigga, bitch. I am not one of these niggas banging on wax.
Oh, left.
Niggas love sneak this until I pull up on.
Alright, so the girls are having a girls' night, so we're having a guys' night, and we just bought fireworks, so now we're at Kroger's getting some food because we haven't eaten yet, and super freaking hungry. We're on Shawley's part of town, which is like in the middle of nowhere. It's like so far, but let's see what we can get. You know, we're lazy, we're men, so we don't have women in our lives right now. We're probably not gonna cook, so we're probably gonna buy stuff that's like microwavable. Got some 4-piece, well it says 4-piece, but it's actually 8 pieces, so all protein.
Bro, these are good.